a show full of life today. It's exciting. We got all kinds of things here with Professor Paul happening. The student will investigate and identify cellular processes, including permeability, transportation of molecules, and the function of the cell membrane. Osmosis is the movement of molecules through a permeable membrane, okay? Now, so that you can kind of understand what that basically means is, I want you to look up here at my cart, at what I have. And now, what I want you to see is these things that I have here represent a cell membrane. Chickity-kitty-kitty-kitty-um-bam-bam. Chickity-kitty-kitty-kitty-um-bam-bam. Some molecules sometimes transport solute molecules through a membrane without expending energy. This is called facilitated diffusion. They go chickity-kitty-kitty-kitty-um-bam-bam. He's going to explain to you how these processes of endocytosis and exocytosis are involved in medicine and the practice that he does.
You know, sometimes you study these topics like endocytosis and exocytosis, and you're like, why should I learn this? I mean, I'm memorizing it all night long. For what? I'm never going to use it.
Sure.
And so I'm glad you brought me on today. I'm going to talk about something called cosmetic Botox.
Okay.
Well, a lot of people have had it, and it's what it does really. It prevents the muscles from contracting and gets rid of the wrinkles.
Okay.
But for that to happen, it requires two mechanisms you talked about today.
Sure.
And I've lectured here in the United States and Mexico and other places about how the drug works. So let's talk about endocytosis and exocytosis.
Okay.
Let me show you on this graph.
Sure. Okay. So what I want to do is I want to see which one of these is going to be the best cell membrane. Okay. Now notice, if you remember my song when I was singing a while ago, movement through a permeable membrane is OSMOSIS osmosis. So in other words, movement through a permeable membrane. Okay, that means that it's going to allow the movement of your solution, solute molecule through the membrane into the cell. So in other words, each one of these would represent the cell.